we are going to tell you one cute story about how one normal intercessor became a black overlord. Our friend had a nice green color. He decided to become a salamander intercessor sergeant. So to convert this salamander intercessor into a black overlord sergeant, we had to change his color scheme. First, we are not satisfied with the head and of course with the weapon he has. We want to add a hand flamer and a power sword. We have to remove these arms to add our new arms, and to remove this head, of course, to change it on the other head without helmet. Let's see all the steps we made just to convert this one into the new black overlord sergeant. Thank you for watching. Now you can see you can make everything you want from the one model just to make something unique. Can take just a simple, easy to build model and convert it to something new, some new model that nobody has on the table when you're playing with. Waiting for your comments.